Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer USDT from one Binance account to another. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all this steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up a browser of your choice. In my case, I'm going to use Chrome as it's my daily browser, and after opening your browser, search for Binance. Binance is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange known for its extensive range of services and features. As one of the largest exchanges globally, it facilitates the trading of various cryptocurrencies, including popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, as well as numerous altcoins. Binance offers different trading options such as spot trading, future trading, and margin trading. The platform has its native cryptocurrency called Binance Coin (BNB), which can be used to pay for transaction fees, participate in token sales, and access additional features. Anyways, so after opening the first given link, simply log in with your account. At the left side of the page, you will be able to see a menu full of actions. You can perform any action using this side menu. Now click on your profile at the top right corner of the page and select Wallet. Then overview from the list that appears. Click on Deposit and select Crypto Deposit. Now select the coin type as USDT and select the preferred network. After this, an address will appear at the end. To copy this address, simply click on these two squares right beside it. After that, I'm going to open up my account from which I'll transfer the funds. Again, open the Overview tab by going through the same steps. But this time, click on Withdraw. If you can't see the crypto side of Withdraw, then select Crypto from the upper right corner. Here, select the same coin type USDT and same network. Remember the network always, or else your crypto may get lost. Then in the address bar, paste the address you just copied and select the amount. The exchange also provides a user-friendly mobile app for convenient account management. While using Binance, it is essential to be aware of the risks associated with the cryptocurrency market and make necessary precautions to safeguard funds. And that's how you can transfer USDT from one Binance account to another. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.